Number 1. The Wusthif 2-Stage Handheld Knife Sharpener. The Wusthif 2-Stage Handheld Knife Sharpener is safe and easy to use. Place the sharpener on a flat work surface and hold the EZ grip handle with one hand and the knife handle with the other. Insert the knife blade fully into the slot at a 90-degree angle to the sharpener and pull back a few times to sharpen. After setting the knife's edge with the carbide side, use the unit's ceramic side to nicely finish the edge. This sharpener is designed to sharpen a knife at 14 degrees per side. Number 2. Zwilling J.A. Henkel's 4-Stage Pull-Through Knife Sharpener. Safely and easily keep your knives razor sharp with the 4-Stage Pull-Through Knife Sharpener. Ceramic rods in both coarse and fine grits will put an edge on even the dullest knife, with only a few strokes. One side features a 15 degrees angle for Western-style knives, the other a 10 degrees angle for Asian-style knives. The protected safety grip keeps your fingers out of harm's way while allowing the sharpener to stay firmly on a surface. Quickly and safely sharpens your blades. Ceramic rods in both coarse and fine grit for sharpening and honing. Non-slip bottom. Comfortable handle also protects fingers side for Asian-style blades. Wipe clean with a damp cloth, not dishwasher. Number 3. Adjustable Angle Pull-Through Knife Sharpener. The Adjustable Angle Pull-Through Knife Sharpener offers new, innovative features never used on a manual knife sharpener and functional performance unmatched by standard edge maintenance products. This sharpener offers 2 stages of sharpening, coarse and fine, for all types of straight-edge knives, with a grind on both sides of the blade, and a third fixed angle slot for sharpening serrated edge blades. It will sharpen a wide variety of knives by simply adjusting the angle of the abrasive components to match the angle of the original factory grind. Just turn the dial to one of the 6 angles offered, then pull your knife through the appropriate slots. It's that easy. Stop messing with those difficult-to-use, cumbersome, and timely precision sharpening kits, and get an adjustable angle pull-through knife sharpener from Smith's. Number 4. Kitchenek EdgeGrip 50883 2-Stage Knife Sharpener Red. Kitchenek's Edge Grip 2-Stage Knife Sharpener is lightweight, portable, and easy to use on either a flat surface or the edge of your countertop or table. Carbide blades and crossed ceramic rods feature preset sharpening angles that provide the proper sharpening angle every time. Carbide blades, coarse, provide quick edge setting capabilities, and the ceramic rods, fine, are used for the final edge honing. These 2 stages offer the capability to put a razor-sharp edge on very dull or damaged blade and touch up already sharp blades. It comes with non-slip rubber feet and a soft grip rubber handle for comfort and steadiness when sharpening. The patented V-grip bottom allows for added stability and comfort when using the sharpener on the edge of your countertop or table. Number 5. Mercer Culinary M10000 Triple Diamond 3-Stage Professional Electric Knife Sharpener. Keep every knife in your kitchen ready to use with the Mercer M10000 Triple Diamond 3-Stage Electric Knife Sharpener. Expanded content image, both simple and convenient. This heavy-duty knife sharpener is the perfect solution for your dull kitchen knives. Since a dull knife is a dangerous knife, having a quick, convenient, foolproof way to sharpen knives is essential to the safety of your kitchen staff. This sharpener is extremely easy to use, so that minimal training is required for employees to be able to maintain your knives. So far today. See you next day and subscribe.